Let's do a little side by side of these two hammer and hatchet multi-tools. I have the Bib Store 12-in-1 hammer and I have the ZVA Land 14-in-1 hatchet hammer. These are two different products with a few similarities. I think they complement each other well. Let's take a look at the features. The hatchet's made well, it's nice and sharp, it's really heavy. The only thing I would say is probably the handle could either have like more of a non-slip grip to it or have a little different shape to it, but you're not going to be using it to chop down trees or anything. So for what it is, it's nice and heavy and sharp. You're not going to be building a home with the hammer part, so it's just what it is. It's for kind of backpacking, camping, keeping in a toolbox, that kind of thing. All the tools inside of the handle come nice and sharp. There is a safety locking mechanism, and it has a nice long, like a sawzall type of saw, that sawzall blade. It has one of those that's nice and long, and everything comes sharp. It also contains a whistle. The whistle blows really good too. I think this would be perfect for backpackers and campers. The Bib Hammer Multi-Tool, it's a nice little tool too. Made well, has some weight to it. It's all metal. Everything comes nice and sharp. There's also a locking mechanism for the knife. The plier part at the top, it grips really well. I think this is a nice little handyman tool. It's small, compact, and it has a little cover to it that someone could keep in their toolbox and use when the right situation calls for it. There is also a belt loop holder on the case, so you can hook it up to your belt and keep it on your side and pull it out whenever you need it. They're both nice little specialty multi-tools that have their own unique features to them. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have yourself a great day.